Hello students, today we are going to discuss about exercise 2.1. Okay, see what is given in first number question. Here in the first option you can see 2 minus 3 by 5. Okay, this number is in fractional form, but what about 2? 2 is all alone. Okay, so what we have to do? If the number is having no denominator, we can place 1 in the denominator. Okay, so I have placed 1 in the denominator as 2 is having no denominator. So 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 5. Okay. Now here you can see both the denominators are different. Here is 5 and here is 1. So what we have to do? If denominators are different, first we have to find out the LCM of 1 and 5. I have explained in previous videos that how to find out LCM of two different numbers. So finding out LCM of 1 and 5, the resultant will be 5. Okay. So what we have to do? As the resultant denominator, we will place 5 in the denominator. Okay. Now next thing, simplification of the numerator. So if two different denominators you are having, after writing the resultant denominator, what you have to do? Just cross multiply the numbers in the numerator. Like 2 multiplied by 5 and 3 multiplied by 1. This is the procedure where two denominators are different. Okay. So see here 2 multiplied by 5, 2 multiplied by 5, minus sign as it is 3 multiplied by 1. So 3 multiplied by 1, okay. 2 5s are how much? 2 5s are 10, 3 1s are how much? 3. Denominator will be 5 as this is the LCM, okay. Now 10 minus 3 gives us 7 and denominator will be same, which is 5. So this is how you have to perform subtraction operation of two decimals, two fractions, which is given in the question. Okay. The first thing, note point, if nothing is given in the denominator, you can place 1. Second note point, if two denominators are given and both are different from each other, you have to find out LCM of both the denominators. Third note point, the denominator which you have to write as the resultant denominator, that will be your LCM of the given two denominators. Okay. So here is the denominator which is the LCM also. And next thing, you have to cross multiply both the numbers, both the fractions in the numerator. So this is how we have to solve subtraction of given fractional form. Now, here you can see this is the second option of the first question, which is 4 minus 7 by 8. See here what we have to do. Again, 4 is all alone. So, we have to do that, we have to place 1 in the denominator. Okay, 7 by 8. Now, second note point, if two denominators are different from each other, we have to find out LCM of the two denominators. So, what is LCM of 1 and 8? LCM of 1 and 8 is 8. Okay. Next thing, after getting the LCM, we have to place denominator as the LCM, which is our resultant also. So LCM is 8, so resultant denominator is also 8. After that, I have told you one note point that after getting the LCM, you have to cross multiply the numbers. So here 4 multiplied by 8 plus sign 7 multiplied by 1, and the denominator is as it is, which is 8. Okay. 4 8s are 32, 7 1s are 7. Resultant will be same. Okay. 32 plus 7 gives us 39 and the resultant is 8. So this is how you can perform subtraction as well as addition operation. So students, we will move towards question number 1, option number 5, because here the 3 fractions are given. So what we have to do? See, all the 3 fractions or denominator we can say are different from each other. So, according to our rule, if denominators are different, we have to find out LCM of that denominators. So, what is the LCM of 10, 5 and 2? That is 10. Okay. So, after getting the LCM, what is our next step? We have to write down the LCM as the resultant denominator. Okay. Now, see. If cross multiply term you will apply, then there are how many fractions? There are 3 fractions. So what you have to do, if you got your resultant denominator, you have to check that this denominator is similar to which denominator. So 10 is similar to the first fraction's denominator. So no need to multiply anything in first numerator. So 7 we have to write as it is. Okay. Now next two remaining fractions, you have to do that. You have to cross multiply the numbers again. So 2 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 and 5 multiplied by 3. Okay. 7 as it is, 2 2s are 4 and 3 5s are 15. Okay. Now and whole upon 10. Okay. Here I forgot to write. So whole upon 10. Okay. So see, 7 plus 4 plus 15 gives us 26 upon 10. Both are the factors of 2. Means both can be divisible by 2. So 2 13s are 26 and 2 5s are 10. So at last, after simplification, what resultant we got? We got 13 by 5. Okay. Now we will solve option number 6 of same question, which is 1. Here you can see this is the form of mixed fraction. So what we have to do in mixed fraction? See, I have indicated the operations by arrows. Means these two terms means denominator and this is the whole number. So denominator multiplied by whole number. Okay. So 3 2s are how much? 3 2s are 6. Then after multiplying these two things, what we have to do? We have to add these two numbers. Means 3 multiplied by 2 and whatever resultant comes you have to add with the numerator. So 6 plus 2 and whole upon 3. Okay. So 6 plus 2 gives us 8 upon 3. Now next thing is also 3 1 by 2. So what we have to do? We have to multiply these two numbers. See here. So 3 2s are how much? 6. And the resultant we have to add with the numerator. So what is the resultant? That is 1. So 6 plus 1 gives us 7. 7 by 2. Okay. So 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2. Again you can see here both the denominators are different. So what we have to do? We have to take out the LCM of 3 and 2, which is equals to 6. Okay. Now next thing, after getting the LCM we have to write the denominator resultant as the LCM. So what is LCM? LCM is 6. And next thing we have to cross multiply the numbers. So here 8 multiplied by 2 you can see and 3 multiplied by 7. Okay. So 8 2s are 16 and 7 3s are 21. And 16 plus 21 gives us 37 divided by 6. So this is how you can solve mixed fraction problems. Okay. Now see here what is given in the second question. We have to arrange the given fractions in descending order. Okay. So the first thing in this type of question, what we have to do, see all the denominators are different from each other. So we have to find out LCM of the denominators. So LCM of 9, 3 and 21 is 63. Okay. After getting the LCM, what we have to see that what number should be multiplied in numerator and denominator to make it 63. Okay. Or we can say what we should multiply in denominators to make it 63. So first fraction is 2 by 9. When I multiply 7 in the first denominator, we will get 63. Means 9 7s are how much? 63. And according to mathematic rule, whatever number you have multiplied in denominator, same number you have to multiply in numerator. So 7 here also. So 2 7s are 14. Okay. First fraction is completed. We got 63 in the denominator. Now second is 2 by 3. What should we multiply in 3 to make the denominator 63? So when we multiply 21 in 3, the denominator will become 63. 21 3s are how much? 63. And according to same mathematic rule, the number which we have multiplied in denominator, same number we have to multiply in numerator. So 21 2s are 42. Okay. Last one, which is 8 by 21. Now what should we multiply in denominator to make it 63? When we multiply 3 in 21, the denominator will be 63 and same number we have to multiply in numerator. So 8 3s are 24. Okay, now what? See, denominators are same 63 and but numerators are different 14, 42 and 24. Now it will be easy for you to find out that which number is smaller and which number is greater. So according to descending order, 42 is the greater one, then 24, then 14. Okay. So we will arrange the given fractions according to the numerator. So 42 by 63 first fraction, 24 by 63 second fraction and 14 by 63 third fraction. But according to our question, that is 2 by 9, 2 by 3 and 8 by 21. Okay. So first, when we divide this by 21, 21 how much? 21 2s are 42 and 21 3s are 63. So this is 2 by 3. Now 24, when we multiply it by 3, okay, 3 8s are 24 and 3 21s are 63. So here 8 by 21. And third one, what is our third one? That is 14 by 63. When we multiply it or divide it by 7, we will get 2 by 9. See here, 7 2s are 14 and 7 9s are 63. So, according to descending order, 2 by 3, then 8 by 21, then 2 by 9. This is how we have completed question number 2. Now, moving towards question number 4, see what is given. Length of the rectangular sheet is given 12 1 by 2 centimeter and breadth of the rectangular sheet is given 10 2 by 3 centimeter. And what we have to find out? We have to find out perimeter of a rectangular sheet. So according to formula, what is the perimeter? Perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. Okay, so 2 into length plus breadth. Now these two fractions, you can see these two are mixed fractions. So we cannot solve mixed fraction directly. So we have to convert it into like fraction or unlike fraction. Okay. So what is the procedure? These two we have to multiply, then we have to add the resultant with numerator. So 12 2s are how much? 24, 24 plus 1 25. Okay. Upon 2. Plus same with these two we have to multiply, so 3 times are 30 and the resultant we have to add with numerator, so 30 plus 2 gives us 32 by 3. Now here you can see both the denominators are different, so what we have to do, we have to find out LCM of 2 and 3, which is 6. Now the resultant denominator will be equal to LCM, which is 6, 2 in the formula as it is. Now cross multiplication of 25 and 3, 32 and 2. So 25 multiplied by 3 plus sign 32 multiplied by 2. Okay. So 25 3s are how much? 75 and 32 2s are how much? 64 divided by 6 and whole multiplied with 2. Now after adding both the numbers, how much we will get? We will get 139 divided by 6. Now here is 2, so 2 3s are 6, 139 divided by 3. And when we convert 139 divided by 3, or we can say when we convert this fraction into mixed fraction, we will get 46 1 by 3 centimeters. So this is the answer. Means what is the perimeter of rectangular sheet? Perimeter of a rectangular sheet is 46 1 by 3 centimeter, or we can say 139 by 3 centimeter. So here we have completed our exercise 2.1. Thank you for watching this video.